our granary. The Lele hut. We're constructing the Tonga one, and we're moving on to the Wadoma hut. We've also started on the Botswana village, which has the Tswana structure and the Khoisan structure. Namibia is also in its elementary stages as we're approaching the Vambo and the Kavango homesteads. We move up in Africa in terms of the map and go to Nigeria. We've started with the Igbo, which is almost finished now. The Igbo compound is there and standing. So it is around this All Africa village and our understanding of how we would like to shape our cultures, how we would like to see cultures interact, that we then came up with this concept of the Sounds of the Sacred Web Festival. The Sounds of the Sacred Web Festival is happening because of this All Africa village. This is a space where we would like African cultures to interact. The indigenous African cultures have a lot in common and yet lots of variations as well. So this is a platform where cultures are to interact and find those differences, celebrate those differences, see how things link, and to us it's a way of uniting, creating a bond between indigenous cultures. When we have festivals such as this Sosawe, we bring in people from those very communities.
Saka zvekutovaka dzimba ndakatotanga kudzidzira ndiri form 1 tichidzidzisana nasekuru yafaka kwezipanda tofaka malokuze namareusi tofaka intumo saka intumo leza zihlala phezu komduli zihlala phezu kwezipanda isipanda